A very good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to your English online class. I hope all of you are utilizing these hard times in the best possible way. Today, I'm going to explain chapter 2, Daedalus and Icarus, and then summarize it. I hope all of you have read this chapter. But do you know that this story has been taken from Greek mythology? So, students, let's start with a small introduction of Daedalus and Icarus. Daedalus was a brilliant engineer, and his son was Icarus. And they were ordered to build a maze by King Minos of Crete. Okay, now students, first of all, I'm going to read story in front of you, then summarize it. Okay, so let's continue. Once upon a time, there was a famous Greek engineer. His name was Daedalus. One day, King Minos of Crete invited Daedalus and his son Icarus to build a maze. So, Daedalus set about making a maze, and soon the work was done. The maze had many rooms and corridors. People who went into the maze could not come out. King Minos liked the maze, but I do not want you to make a similar maze for anyone. So he imprisoned Daedalus and Icarus in a tower. The tower was surrounded by water. Daedalus and Icarus could not escape by land or water. Then Daedalus had an idea. Daedalus used strong thread, feathers, and wax to make a large wings. Then Daedalus and Icarus put on the wings and prepared to fly to freedom. Remember, son, don't fly too near the sun or the wax will melt. Sure, father. And don't fly too close to the sea, or the mist will dampen the feathers and your wings will become heavy. Sure, father. And then the two flew off from the tower. As Icarus flew, he loved the feeling of flight. He loved the feeling of flight and forget his father's instructions. He flew too high. Daedalus cried out, but Icarus could not hear him. He, the heat of the sun melted the wings, and Icarus fell into the sea and drowned. So, maze. Maze means a stem of path which is designed to confuse people. So, son and father soon finished their work brilliantly. They made many rooms and corridors in the maze, and the people who went into the maze couldn't come out. As you can see in the picture, the maze usually confused the people King Minos did not want two similar maze to be built for anyone, just like Shah Jahan did not want anyone to build second Taj Mahal. So he imprisoned the son and father, that means Daedalus and Icarus, and put them into a tower which is surrounded by water, and there was no way to escape either by land or by water. As Icarus was a good engineer, so what? As Icarus was a good engineer, Daedalus was a good engineer, soon he thought out a plan. He decided to make large wings made up of strong thread, feathers, and wax, and prepared to fly away and earn freedom. But as the wings were made up of feathers and wax, he instructed his son not to fly too near the sun or too close to the sea, as the feathers might get wet or melt. Both of them flew off from the tower. Icarus forgot his father's instructions and flew too high near the sun and melted the wings because he loved the feeling of flying. As a result, he fell into the sea and drowned. Therefore, the story teaches us that you should always listen to what your elders tell us to do. Now, students, I hope all of you have understood the lesson, the story Daedalus and Icarus. Thanks for watching. Goodbye and keep on smiling.